Hi, the do-it-yourself SEO basic 5-step guide, we're talking about that. It came from Ahrefs. If you get the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, that's going to give you a leg up on this do-it-yourself stuff. Okay, their brief summary is they give you 5 steps, which are get your technical SEO in order. So if you've got the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, that's going to give you a leg up on getting that done. To do the keyword research, that's also in the Webmaster Tools. Create pages that are optimized for search, get your page builder organized, and better communicate with him on what you need to do to have a better search engine result page for your content. And build links, that's going to happen because your content has been optimized. And then track and measure your success is step number 5. That's very important that you track and measure the success. And whether you use Google Analytics or another tracking tool, more is better. So if you've got multiple ways to track, either to track the video watches or the listens on your podcast, give that a go. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like, okay? It's a wrap.